Hi everyone, welcome back to Love Savings Journey. And today we will be doing a budgeting and cash stuffing video. Yay, y'all, yay. Your girl is feeling really happy and good and in good spirits today. We still trying to, get ahead and just live life. And I don't want to talk about, I'm so sick, y'all. I'm so sick and tired of talking about lack and what I ain't got and this bill and that bill. Like, bring it on. Bring it on. Like, what's gonna be, gonna be. What is what is. You know what I mean? What they say, what it is what it is. And that's it. You know what I mean? We only human over here. We only can do what we can do. You know what I mean? And that's it. Okay? So today we're going to be stuffing your boy Jaden's child support check. Okay, you guys? Yay! His daddy sent something. So that's good. Now, keep in mind, when Jaden child support checks come, ooh, y'all. Wait a minute. I got a little, sorry, had a little dirt in my nails. We can't have that now. Oh, I don't know how that happened. But, yeah, anyway. But, his daddy sent him some money. Well, he paid his child support, okay? And moving forward, I will be, budgeting. I will be doing the budgeting and the cash stuffing of Jaden's child support checks, okay? So I kind of want to budget everything I get, and that's gonna be my attempt. That's what I'm working towards, budgeting every piece of money I get, even if it's $10. Because why? I need to see where it's going. I need to just do better as far as keeping track of what I'm spending and this and that. Let me tell y'all something. It felt good to actually stick to my Home Depot budget. It really did. And when I thought that I was not going to deviate from that plan, okay? Because those are things that were important to me to be paid. Now, I'm going to try to stay on my plan, which I did have a slip up, y'all will see in the future video, with my gig work. I don't even want to call it a slip up, but see, I need to make sure I have buffer money. That's where I think it's going to get tricky. And if y'all can help me figure out, like, how much do you set aside for buffers? You know what I mean? So I got a lot to learn, but y'all ain't got to spring it all on me at once. You know what I mean? Give it to me in small doses, okay? Give it to me in small doses. But you guys, thank you guys for watching my content. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So let's get into the video. Okay, so you guys, Jaden child support is normally $119 a week. He doesn't get it regularly. Sometimes I might get it every week for a couple of months, but I just count it all a blessing when I do get it, okay? So Jaden's child support check was $120, as you guys can see. Let me bring it down a little bit. As y'all can see. So today we will be cash stuffing the game. Well, the game repair is on the card. I'm not sure if I left off there. So game repair on the card. Savings challenge, $10. Savings, $5. Education, $10. Beauty, I already spent. Shopping, $5. Gifts, $2. Entertainment, $3. And his balance should be $15. So let's go to the savings challenge. I already colored it in. So let's count the money. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, shut my door. 35. So we're going to be adding 10 to that. One, two, three, four, 5. I keep running out of storage again. I gotta get Lorenzo to show me how to delete the videos. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. This is a $60 savings channel. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And that savings will be getting $5. So now he has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. in his savings. Oh, let me move this out the way, y'all. Sorry. Trying to do this before the storage. I don't want to even mention it. Education will be getting $10. So now education has 4, 5. So now education has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And like I was saying before the video ended, you know, when my storage went out, I am looking for help with his tutoring because I need help. Anybody know some low-cost tutors, please let me know. Beauty won't be getting anything because we already spent that for his beauty products. Shopping will be getting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now shopping has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gifts will be getting $2. So now gifts have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mamas be trying to do the best they can. Entertainment was getting 3. 1, 2, 3. So now entertainment has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7, you guys, is what's in that entertainment envelope. Y'all, I was also saying budgeting, being so exposed, is so, like, it's something for me to adjust to, but it can be painful because you actually looking at what you've done and what you have to do, like, you know what I mean, instead of just cash stuff. And I see the difference because on my last video I was feeling like I was having some anxiety or something, you guys. So keep supporting me on this journey and giving me some positive affirmations if y'all can, and some valid tips, some helpful tips for beginners now, for beginners that I can use, okay? And remember, I have a lot of debt, so you know, it is what it is, okay, you guys? So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on your way out.